Designed specifically for the 2022 to 2026 Acura MDX, the EcoHitch X7546S features a 100% concealed cross tube, patent-pending stainless steel receiver, and the highest weight rating on the market, with up to 8,500 pounds of towing and 1,000 pounds tongue weight. It's the perfect solution for towing, hauling e-bikes, cargo carriers, and more.
Today I'm going to be showing you how to install an EcoHitch onto this Acura MDX, part number X7546S. First thing we're going to do is grab the keys, pop the rear hatch. We're going to access the spare tire. This nut right here allows you to lower the spare tire. You should have some tools in the compartment. Rotate it counterclockwise. We're going to close the hatch and raise the vehicle. Next thing we're going to do is pop off the spare tire. Okay, so we're going to take our 1/2-inch bolts, 2 of them, add a star washer to it, followed by a plate washer. Then take your bolt fisher, do a little bend, run the bolt fisher into this hole, attach the 1/2-inch bolt with the plate washer onto the bolt fisher, and then feed the hardware into the hole and pull it out. Remove the bolt fisher. All right, next we're going to take a couple of your M14 bolts, add a lock washer, followed by a flat washer. Grab one of your side plates, determine which side it is. This is the driver's side. So we're gonna lift that up into place. This middle hole is where the 1/2-inch bolt goes through, and then we're gonna install the M14 into the front, middle, and back hole. Repeat the same process with the remaining 2 holes. This is a 22mm socket. We're not gonna fully tighten it right now, but we are gonna get it kind of snug so you can still wiggle this plate around while we get the cross tube installed. Now we're gonna secure this 1/2-inch bolt with a flat washer, lock washer, and a nut. Keep her loose for now. Gonna repeat on the passenger side. We're gonna take a couple of the remaining 1/2-inch bolts, apply some 1/2-inch flat washers, and then get some assistance. The plates on the inside, hold it up in place. And once you get a couple bolts in, you can let go, and it should hang there. We're gonna apply some flat washers to the remaining bolts and insert into the holes so you get all fixed. Okay, from the other side, we're gonna secure those bolts with a 1/2-inch flat washer, lock washer, and a nut. And we're gonna do that to all 6 bolts. All right, once you get all the bolts in, we're going to snug up the cross tube 1/2-inch bolts. I got a 19mm socket and wrench. We're gonna use the extended socket and tighten up these 1/2-inch bolts. Both sides. Now we're gonna put on the 22mm and tighten the 14mm bolts. And then lastly, we're just gonna go around, we're gonna tighten all the M14s to 120 foot-pounds. We're gonna set our torque to 85 foot-pounds and get all the 1/2-inch hardware with the extended 19mm. Reattach your spare tire. We're gonna raise it back up into place right behind the cross tube. You're gonna guide the tire up while you're raising it to make sure it goes into the right position. And that's the full installation.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.